So season starts spring now. So we're gonna rototiller the garden. This is by Stacy's order. So I need to go and start to rotating the soil. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. So this is where we're gonna rototiller this area here. And this area here too. And this area as well. Let's see if that rototiller works. Yes, it needs to be here. Ouch. Yes, I got it. Alright, so I did about like maybe 15-20 minutes, and this is what we got so far. It looks pretty titiller, or whatever you want to call it. Looks like titiller. Now I'm gonna go and find some border, so when you come in here, I'm gonna make a border right here, all the way from here all the way over there. So I start organizing this path. I'm gonna first do the path. There's the path right there. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to do the border. I'm doing the border 3 feet from each other. This is going to be 3 feet. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to rototiller this part of the section right here. Alright, this is how it looks. The path is ready. Rototiller is done. Rototiller here. This is the path. I'm going to put some nice white rope in between those things. This is the path. Ready to grow some vegetable. Hopefully Shma is happy with this. Alright, so I'm going to put this liner on top. Stacy said it's going to help the garden this year. Pretty sure it will, because this will prevent from the weed to come up.